topic today in your workbook. Okay, module 2. So all of you have to be ready with your workbook. Those who don't have the workbook, please take your English notebook and don't keep on asking in the chat box after this. My volume is very low. Okay. Is it okay now? Is my voice okay now? Okay, kids. I'm sorry for some technical error. I was disconnected by mistakenly. Okay, so I'll share the screen again. Okay, so we were tracing the next words. Okay, so the fifth word is ask. A S K. Ask. A-S-K. Ask. Tejas, what are you doing? You're not writing? Tejas, why are you not writing? तेजस आप लिख क्यों नहीं रहे हो? Where is your book? Where are your parents? आपके मम्मी पापा किधर है तेजस? Call your parent. Please. Children, write the next word in the meantime. G I F T. Gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. Tejas, call your parents. आपके मम्मी पापा को बुलाओ तेजस. तेजस,
हाँ टीचर.
वो लिख क्यों नहीं रहा है बुक में? मैं जो लिखा रही हूँ यहाँ पे अभी, वो कुछ लिख नहीं रहा है बुक में. Why so?
टीचर बुक तो लेके बैठा है, देखती हूँ टीचर.
बुक नहीं है तो बुक नहीं है.
देखिए ध्यान दीजिए, बिकॉज वो खेल रहा है, मैं उसको पढ़ा रही हूँ, वो उसका ध्यान पूरा खेलने में है, वो कुछ नहीं लिख रहा है.
ओके टीचर, देखती हूँ मैं.
Okay, next word is black. B L A C K. Black. B L A C K. Black. Write down all of you quickly. BLACK, black. Next is sweets. 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 S. Sweets. Come on, trace quickly. Okay. सबका लिख के हो गया? Dictation words, exercise 1. Yes? Okay. Now, I will call out your names and you are going to tell me which shape, okay, it is. I'll ask you the shape and you have to tell me which shape it is, okay? जिसने hand raise किया है उसको chance नहीं मिलेगा. Reyansh Rokde, kindly unmute yourself. Reyansh. Reyansh,
Yes, teacher.
you have to tell me which is the first picture, which is in green color here. Which is this shape?
Triangle shape.
Triangle shape. Very good. It is a triangle shape. Very good. Reyansh, mute yourself. So, triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Okay, this is triangle. We call it triangle because it has 3 corners and 3 sides. Okay. See, these are 3 corners. Okay. And these are 3 sides. So that's why we call it a triangle. Okay. Now next one. Next child. Yashraj Kamble. Kindly unmute yourself. Yashraj Kamble. Yashraj.
Huh?
Okay, tell me which shape is this, which is in light blue color, sky blue color. ये वाला जो shape है, ये कौन सा shape है? What is the name of this shape? यशराज, ये कौन सा shape है? Yashraj, am I audible to you? यशराज, आपने फिर से म्यूट क्यों किया आपका कॉल? I asked you to answer. Which shape is this? ये कौन सा shape है यशराज? What?
Square. Triangle.
Not a square. Look it carefully. और आपके पीछे इतना आवाज क्यों आ रहा है? आपके बैकग्राउंड से इतना आवाज क्यों आ रहा है?
अरे मैं बाहर फाड़ खल रही है.
Yashraj, mute yourself. Please unmute yourself, child. Himanshu, kindly unmute yourself, child. Okay, Himanshu, tell me which is this shape?
Rectangle.
Very good. Rectangle. Okay, Himanshu. Very good. It's a rectangle shape. Okay, it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay. All right. You can mute yourself.
Mute yourself.
Okay. Next is Mohit. Mohit Sheikh.
Yes, teacher.
Mohit, you have to tell me which is the next shape, which is in yellow color here. What is the name of this shape?
Square.
Yes?
Square.
Square. Very good. And square also has 4
Four corners
sides.
and four sides.
Very good. 4 corners and 4 sides. But how are they? They are all equal. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
In rectangle, all the sides are not equal, but in square, all the sides are equal. Okay, so this is a square shape. Okay. Okay, thank you, Mohit. You can mute yourself, child. Okay. Now, next child is Mayank. Mayank, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Mayank, which is the last shape here in blue color?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. So this is a circle shape. It has no corners, no sides. Okay, it is round. Okay, it is round. Very good. So these were the shapes. Okay, now what are we going to do? We, in your book, in exercise 2.1, you have to write the name, trace the name of the shape, and you have to color it. Okay, so we'll trace first and then you will color it. Okay, so first is what? Triangle. So we'll write triangle, T R A. म्यूट योर सेल्फ चाइल्ड. म्यूट कर दो आपका कॉल. मयंक. A N.
मम्मी बाबा. हाँ ये तो सही.
Who is this? T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Okay, T R I A N G L E, triangle. Okay, next is what? Next is square shape. So we are going to. Mayank, why are you not writing? Mayank, लिख क्यों नहीं रहे हो बेटा? Why are you playing with your tie? आपने पहले से ही लिखा है?
Yes, teacher. अभी लिखा है.
Then start coloring. Come on, start coloring it. Color करो उसको. Okay. So next is square. So we'll write S Q U A R E. Square. S Q A R E. Square. Next one is circle. Next shape is circle. I R C L E, circle. Okay, next shape is circle. CIRCLE, circle. Okay, now last one we have rectangle. E T A N D L E, rectangle. R E C T A N G L E, rectangle. Okay, so now kids, we'll do the coloring part later. Okay, we'll do the coloring part later, so you have to trace it and you have to leave it as it is. We'll do the coloring part after the next exercise. Okay, so if you are done with this, show me a thumbs up. आपका लिख के हो गया, ट्रेस करके हो गया, show me a thumbs up. Those who have finished tracing this. All right. Okay. Very good. Okay. So now I'll clear this. Okay. All right. We move on to the next slide. Okay. Next, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn number names. Okay. We are going to learn how to write number names. Okay. So what are number names? Numbers की जो spelling होती है उसे हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? नंबर नेम्स. नंबर्स के जो स्पेलिंग हम लोग लिखते हैं, those are called number names. Okay, and now here we have some number names for tracing, so we are going to trace this number names. Okay, so let us start with tracing the number names. Exercise 2.2. All of you, SE VE N 7. SEVEN 7. Trace name of number name of 7. SEVEN 7. Okay. Next we have number name of number 8. E I G H T. Number name of number 8. Okay, E-I-G-H-T. Priya, finished writing? Okay. Next is 16. Okay, okay, Priya, keep your book down. S-I X T E E N 16. S-I-X double T-double-E-N 16. S-I-X T-double-E-N 16. After that we have 20. T W E N T Y 20. Next is 20. T W E N Y 20. Okay. All of you finished writing, tracing this exercise 2.2? Yes? Now go to exercise 2.1 and start coloring those shapes. Shapes को color करो quickly, जिन्होंने नहीं किया है, quickly color it. You have to color these shapes, okay? So आज हमने dictation words किया, exercise 1. Then we did, okay, I'll check your books, okay, I'll check your books. अभी नहीं, सबका होने दो, then I'll check your books, okay? Exercise 2.1, name of the shapes, and exercise 2.2, number names, okay? We did number names. So come on, quickly color the shapes. You have 10 minutes. Quickly color it. Okay, wait. I'll check your books. Just wait. सबका finish होने दो. Then I'll check everyone's book. Okay? तब तक wait करो. Keep the book down. Come on, all of you, quickly color it. Yes, what doubt do you have, Tejas? Please put it in the chat box. Tejas, what doubt do you have? Kindly put it in the chat box. My screen is not visible. What do you want to see on the screen? Like, I'm not teaching anything right now on the screen. And my screen has already been shared. The child has to color. I have finished with the dictation words. I have finished with exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2. Any other doubt, Tejas? Okay, so now those who have finished, okay, you all can hold the book like this in front of the, you see when I call out your name, you have to keep down your books. जब मैं आपका नाम लूंगी, you have to keep your books down. Okay, आपको ऐसे पकड़ के नहीं बैठना है. आपका नाम लिया तो आप बुक नीचे रख दो. Okay, all right. और आपको रेडी रहना है when teacher is calling out your name. Okay, अभी मैंने बोला है कि प्लीज कीप योर बुक्स रेडी. तो जिसका हो गया है प्लीज आपका बुक ऐसे होल्ड करो. ओके, डोंट वेट फॉर टीचर टू कॉल आउट योर नेम फॉर एवरीवन. ओके, ऑल राइट. पवार, पावनी, पुरानिक, वायुराज और सबका कैमरा okay, I don't want anybody's camera off. Now quickly hold your books in front of the camera. I will be checking your books.